Yo, it is Gucci, my brand flakes viewers. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on this channel, and this video is going to be on my recent pickups. Some of this stuff was gifted to me. Actually, most of this stuff was gifted to me. A couple of my homies' brands, if you guys like to check them out and show support and show some love, the links will be down below to these brands that I'm about to show you guys. And then also, the shoe on the bottom was gifted to me by my girlfriend, and we will unbox that at the end of the video. So thank you, shout out to Ari. Yeah, so let's just hop into the video right now. Alright you guys, so my hair is currently going through a little awkward stage right now. It does have to grow in. I feel like it does look super awkward on camera. It looked way better before when I have it, you know, combed over this way. I'm trying to do the whole push back thing, but right now it's a little shorter because I had to make it even. I don't even think, I mean, I feel like you guys do care about my hair because some of you guys always used to comment like, what did I do, or what do I do with my hair? So a little side note about the hair. Some of you guys care. I don't even know if you guys care anymore, but right now it is going through some awkward stages, but it will be nice and luscious when it all grows in. But yeah, cut, pause. First brand I'd like to start off with is called Aloha. If you guys want to check them out, the link will be down below. If you guys are, it doesn't even matter if you guys are Pacific Islander or Hawaiian, whatever the case is, you guys can always spread the Aloha virus, and that's what's going on here. Spread the Aloha virus on the back. Really nice quality on these t-shirts. You also do have some stitching on the side on the sleeve. It says Aloha on there in yellow. I like the little details. Shout out to Dan, the owner of the brand, that spread the Aloha virus on the front and then also on the back. And then you have the, you know, custom tag. So nice. Shout out to Dan for the nice little details on everything here, especially the thing on the sleeve, which I really do appreciate. But yeah, so favorite one is the yellow one. But yeah, there you guys go, the yellow tee. You guys will see me rocking this. And then I also have the maroon tee. Same concept, but it's maroon and white. So you got maroon, spread the Aloha virus on the back, and then also says the same thing on the front. It also does have the monochrome, I think that's a term for that, Aloha on the sleeve and stitched and all that nice goodness right here. But yeah, I do have some B-roll shots. I'm not too sure if I'm going to put them in or not, but I do have B-roll shots of me doing a photo shoot for them. But yeah, so there you guys go, both the t-shirts. And then he was also very nice enough to throw in this Aloha side bag. It does have the nice scripted writing on the strap, and then it says Aloha right here, and then spreading the Aloha virus right there. It's all about spreading love and positivity. You don't have to be Hawaiian to, you know, spread the love, spread the Aloha virus. Alright you guys, so moving right along, you guys have seen me rock this brand from time to time. It's called Manila. This is another homie, a family member's brand of his. Oh, I didn't even know there was stuff on the back. This is dope. Damn, what the hell? Alright, so you got Manila Fight Club Philippines on the front. Manila. I like this rust brown colorway. I feel like the camera's not really picking it up on how it actually is, but it does say Manila on the front, Fight Club Philippines, and then Manila Philippines Fight Club on the back with a nice graphic of two birds. I feel like that's like two chickens fighting, because in the Philippines they do that, the little cockfights. But yeah, so there you guys go, Manila. I also fuck with this brand heavily. I've been rocking it for a while, if you guys do remember. But yeah, there you go. And then also, I got this another Manila Philippines t-shirt. It has a graphic on the front, and then also Manila on the back. So if you guys want to check out both brands, they will be linked down below in the description. Manila I've been rocking for a very long time, if you guys haven't recognized that. And then on the Aloha t-shirts, they're both XLs as well. I've been rocking my XLs lately, I don't know why. And then last but not least, I do have this Deadstock Market t-shirt in pink and navy blue. I love this colorway. Shout out to the Deadstock Market team for hooking it up. And yeah, if you guys want to check them out, I believe their IG is still up. If not, then go ahead and check out their eBay account. But yeah, shout out to Deadstock Market, Manila, and Aloha. I appreciate y'all, and let's move on. Alright you guys, so last but not least is the unboxing. I do follow this influencer on Twitter. He was posting about this shoe for a little while. I believe it is sold out on the Vans website, but it is available on certain websites. I'll try and find the link down below if anyone would like to purchase it. Alright you guys, so just a little backstory, what's in this box. This was made about a year ago, I believe. I'm not too sure, but I remember a picture that I really liked. It surfaced like a half a year ago, It surfaced on like Hypebeast or like, I don't even know if it was Complex, whatever the case was. Sneaker News, it was probably Sneaker News, but it was one of those Instagram pages. The influencer that made these or that designed these are Ray Polanco Jr. I'm sure some of you guys may have followed him, but these pair of Vans that are in the box I'm super excited about. And also I'd like to give a shout out to my girlfriend who purchased these for me out of random. And yeah, so I'm going to do the unboxing right now. Nothing, I mean, they are special to me just because, I don't know, I just mess with the vibe. I mess with him as an influencer. So Ray, if you're watching this, keep doing what you're doing, man. I'm gonna try and link this to you on Twitter because I know you're very active on social media. But if anyone would like to purchase these, I purchased these through Unknown, the sport of fashion. Let me cover everything. If you guys want to, you know, check out that website right there. These are sold out online on the Vans website, which I do regret sleeping on. But they are a pair of Vans. It is the OTW Repeat Red, True, and White. This also did come in a black and white colorway if anyone would like to purchase those. But like I said, the pictures of these surfaced like a little while back, and I was like super excited about them, and they finally came out. And here they are, the all over Vans off the wall print. Oh my gosh, these are very beautiful. I got these in a size 9.5, which is my normal size in Vans era. I haven't bought a pair of Vans in a really long time, but I do heavily mess with these. I'm gonna rock them with the no-show socks in the summertime. But yeah, so there you go. Shout out to Ray for doing a nice concept on these. These are super sick. They're like the Vans logo all over print, whatever. Alright you guys, so that wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. If you guys are watching to the end of this video, I appreciate you guys, and I also would greatly appreciate it if you guys checked out all the links down below. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and then also check out the brands that I did tag in this video. And then also, shout out to my girlfriend for these Vans. I appreciate the random gift. I owe you one big time. Thank you, baby. If you guys want to follow her, her Instagram is right here. Yeah, there you guys go. There's the Vans, and there are the pickups. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Y'all have a good day. Peace.